Hello everyone, this is Mamta from Cadd Nagar. Today I am explaining about the how to create a lamp in a Google SketchUp. So that I am open the Google SketchUp software. Take a rectangular as a reference. Draw a rectangular in a vertical face. And select a line. Draw a line as your convenient dimensions. And select a 2-point arc. Fix one point and fix another point and draw a arc and give some offset and take a line. This will be closed one object and delete a rectangular and draw a circle in a horizontal face and go to tool, select a follow me and select a object and then select a path. This is the simple lamp. For more videos, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon.